Hello, sweetheart. So nice to meet you. Of course, of course, of course.
Good to meet you. Do you remember this dress?
It's the James Holt original.
This is the dress that made you purse your lips. Does this make you purse or does this make you purr?
It looks incredible on
Thank you so much.
Who's that girl? She's that girl. Who's that girl? That girl? She's that girl.
Ohayo gozaimasu! Girl. Hey guys, I'm that girl, Mimiya, and we're here po in Tokyo, Japan for a very exciting project. So we are here po for the Devil Wears Prada press tour. I'm just so honored po to be part of this because, you know, Devil Wears Prada is a movie that became a beacon of hope not only for me, but to all the girls and the gays. All the girls are girling. All the girls are girling. You know what I'm saying? Hindi, ano ba yan? Growing up po talaga, actually, Devil Wears Prada po is one of the movies that inspired me to get in fashion. Parang it's one of my feel-good movies. Pag gusto ko po sumayar, parang gusto ko lang ma-relax ang utak ko, I watch Devil Wears Prada. It's just so surreal, like Cerulean Blue. Kami, hindi. It's just so amazing. I get the chance, this kind of experiences in my lifetime. Naniniwala po kasi ako sa mga multiverse. I'm just so grateful na this is the life I'm living. Di ba kasi ganun yun sometimes, di ba kapag ikaw ay okay, yung iba mong buhay in multiverse, naloloka sila. So parang, di sir, Kimi! Hindi. Rick and Morty yung atake. Napanood nyo na ba yung Rick and Morty? Today, there will be a red carpet event po for the cast of Devil Wears Prada 2. Grabe, I'm just so grateful na makikita ko sila face to face in this lifetime. You know what I'm saying? And actually, guys, chika ko sa inyo, I will get the chance po to meet Meryl and Anne. Si Ann Curtis po, na-meet ko na. Si Meryl Soriano, papunta pa lang. Kimi! Hindi. I will have the chance po to interview them for Disney Philippines. Thank you so much po Disney Philippines for this experience. Grabe sa lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas. Ako pa at si Anne. Talagang nilevel niyo ako kay Ann Curtis. Grabe na. Alam ko namang beauty-wise. Oo. Smart. Oo. Pero alam mo kung saan talaga kami talaga nagkatugma ni Miss Anne? Sa boses. Grabe, kung si Miss Anne ay soprano, ako talaga ay parang alto. Pag nagsabay kaming kumanta, magbe-blending talaga kami para kaming choir sa Baclaran Church. You know what I'm saying? I'm just so excited po for this junket, for this experience, and I am really that girl. You know what I'm saying? So, let's get it! Let's get it! Nagising po ako and I started walking na po just to get the vitamin D that I need because I can get the vitamin D that I want eh. Kimi! I just love walking po, especially here in Tokyo. It's cherry blossom season. Ang ganda-ganda po talaga. Maglakad-lakad lang dito. I just love na within the city, there's a lot of parks po. So, ayun yung nililook forward ko for this tour to see famous parks. So, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Si Sesabot, itadakimasu kalu. Parang steak rice po ata ito. Ayama. Maraming kanin. Kain tayo, be. Kapag nasa Japan po ako, dati po ako nabili ng ganito green tea. Kasi ito daw po yung iniinom ng tubig ng mga Japanese. Bilang pilingera po. Sarap siya, guys. Alam mo naman, here in Japan, kahit saan ka naman kumain po, masarap naman po talaga pagkain. Oh my God. I just finished eating po and I feel bloated as fuck. You know what I'm saying? And alam nyo guys, recently, ang aking obsession is ice on my face. I already got ice on my drip, bitch. I need ice on my face. You know what I'm saying? Hindi, kasi parang nakadip-bloat po kasi pag ganun yung ice, opo, and parang maganda yung skin. Pero ang catch po, ito natin siya. Ibalot lang ba? Like this. Ang call time ko po is at 3, pero I just want to start early po. Ako lang po magre-ready lahat. Alam niyo naman po ako. Hindi naman po kasi talaga ako nagme-makeup. I mean, I know how to do my makeup, pero kapag po mga events, syempre I want someone. Ba't may burger dito? Para naman tayo na sa fast food chain. Pag mga events po kasi, kasama ko si Miss Taz, si Sir Dale, ganyan. Pero this time po, hindi naasikaso po yung visa ng brother ko kasi dapat siya pong kasama ko. And I'm all alone. I need to do everything po. But in all fairness naman po sa akin, or baka feeling ko po kasi I can manage I can do anything. If I put my mind into it, feeling ko po kasi kapag maganda na yung skin mo, you don't really need that much makeup. And look at my skin. It's popping. You know what I'm saying? My skin is popping. Thank you, Ivy Clinic, for taking care of my skin. Good skin, less makeup product. I guess ang aking paniniwala. I'll just put my skill into test. Mascara. This is Glow Turner by Charlotte Tilbury. Let's put my contact lens first. Happy is birthday, Father!
Thank you.
Happy ka?
Siyempre.
Marami mong handa
Lalong happy.
Sige na, tatay. Mag-enjoy ka na. Magre-ready pa ako
Sige na. Ingat ka lang dyan.
Bye. Love you. Bye. Mwah.
Bye.
Birthday ng tatay ko ngayon. Luscious. Lexu. Cluster. Yeah, better. This is the shade. Lexu. Lex in the City yata yung name nito. For foundation, we only do like here. That's the foundation that you need for your face. Dali lang. Tara. Diba? Chic lang. Hindi nyo kailangan na masyadong maraming foundation kasi minsan nawawala na yung skin eh. I think the beauty of makeup, enhancing your face but at the same time, you can still see Leche, wag na ako mag-ano. Basta i-montage mo na lang tupi. Ang rami ata. Hala, uy! Blend. Kami nga nailagay. Ate! Tada! Girl! She is the queen of liner, you know what I'm saying? Using this Charlotte Tilbury contour stick po yata ang tawag dito. Favorite ko yung kino-contour nose ko eh. And then blush, I'm using, this is my favorite blush po. This is Givenchy Prism Blush. And if you're olive skin po, okay po pala sa atin ang pink tones. And actually, I love this kasi parang meron siyang blurring effect. Parang mga hentai. Actually, itong camera na to, medyo hindi niya nakikita po yung pigmentation. Pero I super love it. Baka it's not enough siguro. Oh, yeah. All the things at your heart, I'll be back. Hinagis. Waiting for you. Let me be the one to love. Loko. Ganda, gago. Akin to lahat, babe. I'm done with my makeup. It's time to fix her hair. Ganda! I like my makeup. It's so nice. Sana lang mag-stay siya ng ganito hanggang dulo. Tada! This I got po sa 01 Story. And if naka-perm po kayo, this cream is so good. Pang-pa-volume lang siya ganyan. Ganda ko, gago. Akin to lahat. Grabe na po. Pero kasi ang gusto ko pong hair, pa ganyan. So, ang gagawin po natin is Better Hairspray. Diba? Yan, magkakasama na po sila. Eyelash glue. Ang gagawin natin is, ididikit natin siya sa ating pisngi. Diba? Para lang naka-frame yung muka. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I like it na hindi siya pantay. And actually, I like na parang easy lang yung hair. I actually love this look. Ano yan? Trichy. Ito po ang ating whole look for the Devil Wears Prada 2 Press Tour Red Carpet. You know what I'm saying? So, let's break this look down. Si Mimiya po ay hindi na po any. Basta-basta, kumbaga. Ganda nitong look na to. Grabe, parang maniningil na ako ng renta, oh. Grabe. Boogs! This look po is giving Miranda. Chito Miranda po, ah. So this coat po is by Xacasas. It's from a local designer po. I love the construction. I love the shoulders. I love the waist snatch, I'm trying. And the hips. Pa Kim Kardashian na yung balakang natin, oh. I just love it. And actually, di ba, ang galing-galing, napakarami pong mga Filipino designers ang napakahuhusay and deserve nila ng attention and the support. This belt po is from Old Celine. I got this po it's an archival online shop. It's from Prior Matter. I super love it. And it completes the look. And the gloves po are from Florence, Italy. Nung nag-Italy po ako. The gloves is shouty. Miranda Priestley, you know I am saying. The shoes, of course, my favorite. Loewe balloon shoes. I feel like masyado ng stiff or masyado ng matapang yung look. So, why not add some fun into it? You know what I'm saying? And actually, ito talaga. Grabe. Grabe yung Mimi yan. Naka Mini Kelly. Kaya kasi nasabihin na hindi ka na relatable kasi kung ano-anong pinagbibili mo. Mini Kelly, Loewe, Celine, Xacasas, diba? Grabe. Anong gagawin ko? I didn't choose this life. This life chose me. I'm saying, back. Can't. And my accessories also, guys. Since I want to add some fun to this look po, I decided na mag-asymmetrical look with my accessories. So this ear cuff po is also local from Adam Perea. And this one also po is by Ana Beza. Ganda. I love silvers actually. I love mixing golds and silvers. This stud po is from Bottega. And this one also po is from Bottega. Grabe. Hiningal ako dun, te. See ya. See you po. Ay, ito pa oh. Look. This giraffe ring. I got also po nung nag-Thailand ako. So nice. Fashion should be fun. And I think fashion should be something that you enjoy. I just love fashion. Fashion week. Here we go. Let's manifest, guys. Let's manifest with me. Fashion week. Fashion week. Fashion week. See ya! Hey guys! CMPH represent. Let's go! Watch out ako na yan, di ba? Ikaw natin. Beautiful. Inaintay po namin bumalik si Miss Ann Curtis. Hihi po kasi siya. We are waiting for the arrival po of the Devil Wears Prada 2 cast.
Thank you, Lord.
Patay na nanonood ng anime dito. Parang hindi to fan event, parang misa to. Yata napuntahan natin. Oo nga. Grabe, walang sumisigaw. Sumigaw ka dito para ikaw pang mali. Yung tahimik. Parang nasa library, guys. So, ayan sila. Ini-interview sila ha. Kapag nasa Pilipinas tayo, di ba? Parang, grabe, ito siya. Pero culture kasi nila yun. Guys, nandito na sila! Ohayo gozaimasu. It's 5:30 in the morning. Yung call time ko po is 9 a.m. Ewan ko kung ba't ako nagising kasi nanaginip po ako. Parang inatake ako ng pusa sa liig. So parang, what is the universe trying to say to me? So I think feeling ko ginising niya ako kasi baka mamaya malik na ako nagising or baka, I don't know. Feeling ko it's also because of my anxiousness. Kasi today, guys, I'm going to interview Meryl and Anne in person. Napapaisip talaga ako, I'm just so grateful for this life. Hindi ko alam anong ginawa ko in my past lives. I'm just so grateful for him na because of that, this is the life I'm living. You know what I'm saying? And actually, guys, alam niyo naman na talagang medyo barok ang aking English. But you know what? I just need to make a good first impression and let the universe handle it for me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a lucky girl. I'm a lucky girl. Repeat after me. I'm a lucky girl. I'm a lucky girl. I'm a lucky girl. Everything works out for me. Let's get ready. siya. In fairness talaga dito kay Mimi, napakagaling. Girl, hair and makeup, fashion. She's that girl. Yun naman siya. Hindi na ako nakakahinga. Oh, char. Hi guys! This is the look for my interview with Meryl and Ann. I actually decided po na ito yung suotin ko for the interview because this dress is an odd diba? Or odd. Basta yung ODE yun. To The Devil Wears Prada where Miranda pursed her lips. You know what I'm saying? This dress po is by a young designer named Lance Rubio. I super love it. And actually, short story about this dress. Sobrang rush na po ito kasi parang siguro mga 1 week before the event, doon ko lang po napag-decide na I really need to wear this dress. Yung ganyan na ganyan. He made it happen actually. At nakakatawa, yung first fitting namin, it was in a pink fabric kasi sabi niya mali daw yung tela but he used it for, you know, measurements. This is the outcome of our dress. I super love it. Ang wish ko lang po ay sana mag-get silang reference ko for this dress. Ano po. Pero yun nga, ang atake ko naman, ang ganda-ganda mo nga, ganda-ganda dress mo. Tatanga-tanga ka naman sa interview. Yun ang kinatatakot ko, opo. Pero I just hope and I just wish that they're on the right mood and I make a good first impression. Kinakabahan po talaga ako. But I made for this. You are that girl. We are that girl. Let's go. So, andito na po tayo sa bus going to Ritz kasi dun po ang aming interview and actually nakakatuwa yung mga kasama namin dito kasi nakapagganto na daw sila. So, since my first time, nag-asa ko ng mga onting katanungan. So, I have 5 minutes guys. Actually, 6 minutes no, Miss Bea? 6 minutes to interview them and sabi nila, it's about 4 questions daw ang pwede kong maitanong. Just pick yung mga interesting dito like sex or chocolate. Lights on or lights off? Sabi ni Meryl, gago to ha. I'm just so scared at the same time excited because it's really a one-of-a-kind experience. Tapos, alam mo yung kaba ko, sinabayan pa ng skip ng damit ko. Grabe, hindi na ako makahinga. Okay, I made for this. You're that girl. Let's go. Si Chris been doing this for a lot of time.
I work for USS
Yeah.
Her Media in Indonesia, guys. Look it up.
Any tips for anyone who get the chance to interview legends and icons?
For us, where English is not our first language, this is also a tip for me too. And I need to do it often. Just breathe. You don't have to rush it. The more you rush it, your English would be bad.
Bad.
It would be terrible. Just talk to them as if like they're your friends.
Yeah.
If you can just have a casual talk with them, I think that's where you feel like the interview is going really well. The interview could be bad if they don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
You're too nervous and you see them as these Hollywood stars. It would not make things better. Take a breather and just remember you're Mimi.
No. But yeah, we are made for this.
Yes.
Let's do this. Let's go.
Hi. Hello.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So much.
Look at your clever shoes.
I know. It's amazing. You guys are we starting now? Okay. Okay, yes, please.
Yes.
Hello, sweetheart. So nice to meet you. Of course, of course, of course.
Good to meet you. Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Fabulous.
Thank you so much. Do you remember this dress?
It's a James Holt original.
Yes, this is the dress that made you purse your lips. Does this make you purse or does this make
Amazing.
you purr?
It looks incredible on you.
Thank you so much. And yes, hi guys. Hi Anne and Maya. I'm that girl, Mimiya from the Philippines. It's an honor to meet you guys in this lifetime. It's my first time also to interview such legends. So please go easy on me because I'm just learning about this stuff. And as a member of the LGBTQA+ community, Devil Wears Prada becomes a beacon of hope not only to me but to all the girls and the gays. What can you say about the support of the community to this movie?
There would be no fashion in the world without the LGBTQ community. Some of our greatest designers, some of the support staff, the whole world of fashion has been delivered to us in large part by that community, and we have nothing but gratitude and joy and worry about how we're judged.
But you guys you look amazing. How about you, Miss Anne?
Well, of course, I agree with everything that Meryl just said. And, you know, personally, as it has to do with this film, I don't know that we would have a sequel without
Yeah.
the support of the LGBTQ community who have embraced this film so much and have memed it and quoted it and, you know, just reframed it and taken it into their lives and made it their own and kept it alive and kept it current. So I just feel like so much is owed and we're so grateful.
Thank you so much, but let's get very controversial. Andy Sachs.
Okay.
The internet are saying that the real devil in the movie were your friends.
Yes, they
What
do
can
say
you
that.
say about that?
I think everyone's being very, very hard. There were little snapshots of them.
Yeah.
I think that, you know, we were all young. And as you'll see in the sequel, certain friendships have endured and deepened and blossomed.
Nate, we miss you. And for Miranda Priestley,
Yes.
I love Nigel. I want him to win.
No.
And Nigel said that you will pay him back if the time is right. Because he's supposed to be the business partner for the Massimo Cotillo.
That's right.
Is the right time going to happen in this sequel? Girl.
You're so good at that. I'm like, oh my God.
She'll tell you,
Okay.
but not on camera.
So I guess
I will never tell.
we really need,
I need
to
to
watch the
hide.
movie.
You and I have to say that Stanley Tucci, who is one of my dearest friends, plays this role so beautifully and has so many interesting turns in this version that I think you'll be pleased.
We're so excited. And as you can see, this dress is an odd.
Sabi di ba ding odd? Ano yun? Addition, subtraction? Ate naman, ode pa lang basa doon. Ode. Basta ode yun, guys. Wag yun ang pansinin. Ang bobo. Anyway, back to the video.
To the Devil Wears Prada, and it would be an honor for you guys to sign this dress for me.
Oh, of course.
That is so fun.
Thank you so much. I
That's so
really
great.
love.
Mimi, that girl.
Yes, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much. What an honor.
One side and then the other.
Thank you so much.
Always listen to your mother.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to
Pleasure.
meet
Thank you.
Mimi.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you.
This made my day.
Thank you so much.
Thank
I love you
you, thank
guys.
you.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Thank you. You too. Isn't that great? Those shoes
Are amazing.
Hey guys, so I'm back in my hotel and alam nyo, pinaprocess ko pa rin po talaga na yung experience na to. Kasi parang syempre, never mo naman in-imagine na mamimit mo yung talagang mga pinapanood po lang talaga sa mga movies at ang layo naman po talaga ng distansya namin sa isa't isa. And somehow, the universe still find a way for us to meet in this lifetime. You know what I'm saying? I'm just so grateful also po for Disney Philippines for this experience again. I'm just so grateful. More than anything po. Kasi parang because of them, and naging possible po lahat. Actually, the interview, I think, for me went very well. Sabi ko, odd. Odd pala dapat, odd. Hindi pala ad. They're so nice, Meryl and Anne. The team were so nice. To be breathing the same air with them in one room is amazing experience. So, as you can see sa interview po, sinay nila itong aking dress. So yan guys ipapa-auction ko na ito para may bago tayong pambili na bahay. Para may pangbayad na amortization. Opo. Can you suggest paano po kaya ma-maintain yung sign sa fabric? Kasi I want it to last a very long time. Tapos, if-frame ko po siya, I hang it in my walk-in closet. And, I don't know, I'm such a lucky girl. Maybe because I am that girl. You know what I'm saying? Grabe. It's so surreal, the experience. Oh my gosh. Grabe, hindi pa lang makapaniwala, ate. Parang ang hirap i-process. Thank you so much, Disney, and thank you so much, guys. And alam mo, ang isa rin akong grateful to be working with big artists. 'Di ba? Kasi parang si Mimi ba naman ay isasabay mo kay Ann Curtis. Alam mo yung ganun. So parang leveling lang kami. Leveling I'm just so grateful. Ang babait ng mga namimit ko here. And I get the chance to meet also people around the world because of my job. And ayun naman ang grateful ako. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Universe. Ayun guys, sabay-sabay po natin panoorin ang Devil Wears Prada this coming April 29 in cinemas. Wow, promoter, kala mo talaga kasama sa cast. Papiling! Kung meron pa po kayong mga suggestion na mga pwede ko pa pong gawin o po sa Japan, mag-comment po kayo dyan. Don't forget, I'm that girl, Mimiya!